y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you again for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you have not already, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. I do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. I will make sure to put a link down below for you to enter that, as well as live giveaways coming up. So you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I go live for those giveaways. But as you can see from the description, this video is finally the Allure Beauty Box unboxing for January 2019. Now, if you happen to watch one of my live streams, and yes, it was the live stream where all of a sudden my house was bombarded and filled with police from the swatting call. But in that video at the very beginning, I talked about why I did not do an unboxing of my Allure Beauty Box for January. And that was because when it arrived, I could smell something and I wasn't sure what it was. And it ended up being that the nail polish inside leaked all over all of the products. So I was super bummed. And I did show it in that video. That video is a whole nother discussion. But if you want to check it out, you can check that out. And so yeah, they sent me another one. I contacted them. I let them know what was going on. So they did send it to me. For those of you that do not know, Allure is a monthly subscription. It is $15 a month, and you receive samples, deluxe size, full size items. So they have changed it up. It used to come in a little red box every month. Now it comes in this white box, and when we open it, still has the little magazine inside that tells you about your items, but now it comes in this little plastic bag with all of your products. So there we have that. So let's see. We'll open it. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Amika, the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is a hair mask. Okay, yeah, I wasn't sure. So there is that, and that's a really good size. So we have this hair mask, and this product is one that I knew about and I was super excited about because I believe it's worth $89. And so to have it in a $15 subscription box was just amazing. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow face oil. So you can understand why I was super bummed when the first one came back in January and everything was covered in nail polish. So I'm super, super excited to have that item. This is the nail polish. It's from NCLA, and it is in the color Call My Agent. It is a very pretty color, just not so pretty when it's covering all the products. But that is a very pretty color. And then we have from Way Scalp and Body Scrub. So here is that. Scalp. I don't know if I would want to scrub my scalp. I'd be afraid I wouldn't rinse everything out. But body scrub will work. So I'm a little goofy today, y'all. I apologize. Just, it is what it is. And then here we have, what are you? This is from Mally. This is an Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. So tell me. Burnished Bronze. Let's see. So here is the color. Let me put this so I can show you. I will be putting this into a giveaway because I don't really use eyeshadow sticks like this. So that'll be going into a giveaway for one of you guys. And then here we have from, and again, I never know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. I'm not sure if it's Douce or Dolce, but it is the Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. which is a very pretty color. I actually already have this item, so I'll put this aside for a giveaway as well. And then we have also from Sunday Riley, the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. Okay, so there's that. So I think, even though it's, you know, February, the January Allure box was absolutely amazing. So let's see here. I can tell you some of the prices for these items. The Mally Shadow Stick is $25. The Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil is $80. And that I know is full size. The Way Scalp and Body Scrub is $38. And that I'm sure is just like a sample size. The Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum is $85. Again, that I don't think is full size. The Douce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon is $22. The Amika that's weird. The Amika hair mask is $28 for the full size. And then it does not have the nail polish. It actually shows here like a mini beauty blender. So I guess that could have been a variation item. So I got the nail polish. But yeah, I think this is an absolutely amazing month for Allure. And, you know, I really do appreciate that they sent me another box, no questions asked, because like I said, it came covered in nail polish. So let me know in the comments if you guys get Allure what you thought of the January box. Hopefully I will be unboxing February here before too long. And I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.